I'm Tim Bro, the Director of Sales and Marketing for Total Sonics, formerly known as dbx-tv, and we're a business unit of that corporation. That corporation is entirely focused on audio, aside from Total Sonics, where we're working on software to improve the sound of consumer, commercial, and residential devices. That corporation also sells professional audio integrated circuits and has a foundry in Silicon Valley making those integrated circuits as well as doing foundry work for outside clients.
Hi, my name is Mitch Witten. I am working with the Total Sonics team on business development, helping getting these technologies integrated under the hood of their products. My background in the industry goes back to my first job out of college, which was selling audio equipment in a retail store. And I ended up with my very first factory job was actually with a DBX, where all this technology evolved from. And it's great after all of these years to be back with the founders of the company who were the engineering team at DBX when I worked there. And also to watch this evolution where we were at DBX back at that time that when we won an Emmy for for developing the noise reduction system for stereo TV broadcast, and then ended up going into all of the televisions in order to be able to supply stereo TV audio. And now to be taking that to the next level where we're taking these technologies into the digital domain and now putting them under the hood of other products so that we can improve the experience for customers when they get the product in their home.
Total Sonics focuses on audio post-processing to try to improve the audio experience for end customers. So we have 4 key technologies that we're offering to manufacturers now. We have the core technology, which is our Total Sonics post-processing, which is a combination of equalization, compression, and spatial processing to get the most out of compromising and difficult speaker designs and get the best sound possible, given the physical characteristics of the speaker, amplifier, and cabinet. We have our total immersion virtual height processing, which we developed in conjunction with our partners at Sykes Research to deliver a sense of height and immersive audio from any device with 2 or more output channels. We have our Total Cal in-home automated calibration system, which we use to improve sound quality by reducing or removing the negative effects of room acoustics and restoring the product's signature sound once it's delivered into the home. And recently we've developed our Total Bass psychoacoustic bass processing technology, which takes our technology one step further by delivering the impression of bass from very small speakers that aren't physically able to reproduce low frequency tones, by tricking your brain through a form of an audio illusion into hearing a low frequency sound that is not actually there.
Hi, my name is Richard Frank, and I'm happy to be part of this. I'll tell you why I'm here. I'm also an older fellow, and I was actually at DBX 40 years ago on the marketing and sales side, and it's great fun to watch how technologies take root and grow. While DBX technology had its root in pro audio, making great music all over the world, now it's evolved to the point with Total Sonics that it's an applicable technology to improve sound in the home, easily, simply, literally in the palm of your hand. It is on your cell phone or your tablet, and you can easily improve the sound quality of your powered soundbar, powered speakers, little Bluetooth speaker, powered subwoofer, TVs that marvelously have gotten thin and wonderful, well, so have the speakers. And so how do you improve the sound of that? Well, Total Sonics can help you do that. The value add has been wonderful to see it applied to this wide range of products. And the Total Sonics evolution is just beginning. It has a great future ahead of it because it improves sound quality in the home by the user very simply. The audio industry has a history of reproducing wonderful music. Many products, sometimes a lot of products, stacks of products. Today's consumer wants a simpler lifestyle. They want to enjoy better entertainment, not necessarily be encumbered by piles of product. Total Sonics is really leading that way, how you get better performance in the home so simply. So it's been great fun to watch.
Total Sonics evolved from the dbx-tv technology that was originated at DBX Incorporated, which was used as part of the BTSC noise reduction standard for television broadcast in North and South America. So we originally had focused on improving the broadcast quality of television and later evolved into improving the playback quality of televisions, especially as the panels got larger, though the speakers inside got smaller and smaller, and design compromises had to be made that reduced the audio quality. So we were in a unique position given the expertise at that corporation and our history working in the television audio industry to be posed to improve the sound quality of those televisions that were suffering from poor audio. And as we had success in the television industry, we found as challenges from some of those customers that our algorithms worked really well on larger speakers as well, including things like sound bars, powered speakers, and other consumer electronics devices. So Total Sonics has evolved from the dbx-tv heritage to now offer those algorithms in a wider basis across the various facets of the audio industry. All of our technologies are licensed to manufacturers. They're included under the hood in products. And the way that that works is our technology runs on the SoC, or system on a chip, which is the tiny computer inside the device that controls and runs everything. So all of our audio processing runs on those sorts of chips that are already present in the devices. And we used software processing to get the best possible sound quality that we can, given whatever the speakers in the product are capable of.
One of the unique things about Total Cal is that we're doing all of the number crunching in the cloud, so that we don't require any extra massive processing power within the product. So it's less expensive for a manufacturer to implement than some of the other systems that are out there. And the other thing is that we were recently granted a patent for being able to use the microphones that are in cell phones and that are in tablets to be able to capture an accurate measurement, to be able to send it up to the cloud so that we can compare it to the signature sound that was already created by that manufacturer. So we have a reference of that already in the cloud, and then we send the measurement that we capture to the cloud, compare the two, and then send down a correction to the product so that we take the room out of the equation.
So I hope this walkthrough of the Total Cal room calibration system helps you understand how easy it is for consumers to improve their audio experience once they bring a product home, sit it down on the table, sit down in their favorite chair, and actually start listening to it. By calibrating the audio system for their unique listening environment, this is really the next level of improving the overall audio experience, and we're excited to bring that technology to manufacturers, ultimately for the benefit of their customers. So if you'd like to know more about the Total Cal system or any of Total Sonics' other audio processing technologies, please visit our website at www.totalsonics.com. You can email us at sales@totalsonics.com or look for us on your favorite social media platforms.